Hold on. I can't take your picture if you keep trying to get my feet. Wait. Shirley. Hey. Hey, girl. Look. Wait. Look up. Look at me. Shirley. Look. You're making me laugh. Okay. I'll come over here. Hey. Shirley. Shirley! Silly Shirley. So, how was your day? How was your sleep last night? Mommy, you answered. Oh, it was so good! I had so much fun! Oh. So, how was your morning? Oh, it was great! I got to go to ballet!